Welcome to today's video. We're going to be changing out the batteries in this key fob for in this instance, this is for a 2016 Ford F-150. I know very similar Ford models a couple of years before and after have the same type of fob, so this should work on those as well. It's a pretty straightforward procedure. You need your key fob, a multi-tool, otherwise known as a dime, and you'll need two CR2025 batteries. Yes, there are two batteries in this fob. So let's get to it. Turn the key over. On the top, you'll see this little lever. You pull that up. It helps if you have some fingernails, which I don't. And that releases the case so you can pull it apart at the first level. So this piece we're just put aside for now. Then you'll see your spare keys here. I recommend just pulling it out for now. Then on this top end here, you see this little groove between the case and this little notch here. Make sure you grab your dime, you insert it between those two, and give it some light little twists until you feel the two ends release. And you split those apart, and you have the internals of this fob. Right here are two keys. Make sure you remember how they look in here. You have this side, which is the negative side facing up. Just kind of pry that out aside. And this little piece of paper is your separator between the two batteries. Just kind of move it aside for now. Don't lose it because you need it there to separate those. And then just with your key, you can go and take that second battery out. All right, so with that said, it's as simple as just reinstalling everything the way they were. First, you gotta put your first battery in, positive side up, or the flat end is your positive end. And if you look inside the key here, you'll see that there's like a little spring-loaded mechanism that holds the battery in place. You need to insert that end first, so it locks in. Pull your paper over, put in place, and then for your new second battery, you have negative side up. That's the side that has a little taper to it. If you see here, that side goes up. Same thing, put it into that little spring-loaded thing. Then all you need to do is reassemble. So just kind of put these two pieces back together. And this can be a little bit tricky because if you look, you have these two little pieces here, wings, and there's little tabs at the top of the key here. You want to get those on there and line those up, and then just kind of press firmly all around until it clicks in. And it's a little weird. It can kind of pop back up at you at times, but it will go. I highly recommend keeping your fingers on the inside here so you don't accidentally set your car panic alarm off if you are near to it. So as you can see, everything kind of clicked right into place. Then you take your key, put your key back where it belongs. The tip of the key here has a little lip, so you got to make sure you put that in first. Place it in. Then just put the remaining top back on. Push it down into place, all around, until it clicks. And you are done. Pretty simple. And that's how you change the battery in a Ford key fob. Thank you.